If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to replace the windshield wipers. I bought my two new ones, 16-inch and 26-inch for the long one. So the first thing you want to do when replacing your windshield wiper is lift the arm. As you can see, the old wiper blade is falling apart, so that's why we're replacing it. So when replacing your windshield wiper blade, lift the arm and then turn your blade like this. And so then now you can push up here, pull down. See that? You can lift up with your fingers and then pull down. And then this comes right off, just like that. This is the new blade, so you can push up slightly on this, push down. The longer part is at the bottom, the shorter part is at the top. And then what you want to do is get on the side of the hook that's going to hook into this. I mean, you can do this, but that's a mistake. You don't want to be on that side. You want to be on this side, because you want to go underneath the hook and then you push it up. Ta-da! And then it's done. Close it, slam it.